Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to convert Yes Bank credit card to EMI. Alright, so let's begin with the video. There are a few methods in converting credit card transactions and payments to equated monthly installment or EMI. One of them is through net banking. First, you must visit the official website of Yes Bank at www.yesbank.in. Find the login button and on the drop box, choose Yes Online. Enter your credentials such as login ID and password. Check your notification for the OTP and enter it on the box. Now that you have accessed your account, find your credit card on the credit card option, then your credit card bill option. In this page, you'll be seeing all the transactions made using the credit card you chose. Finally, click Convert to EMI. So that's basically how you can convert Yes Bank credit card to EMI. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.